have you in my class this year. I cannot wait until Monday, until all your little smiling faces come to school and we get to kick off this year. It's going to be the best year yet, and we are at the best school in the universe. See you Monday. All-Stars, I'm so excited to have you in our class this year. I wanted to give you a quick tour of our classroom. So I'm going to do a quick scan so you can kind of see our classroom and where you're going to be located this year. In the green hall, you're now big second graders. A few things I wanted to point out that we will have this year in our classroom is we will have some seats where we can spread out. So everyone will have their home-based table that they're going to be at. But then we have lots of things that I have bought, such as rocking chairs with little lap desks. We have some yoga mats this year with lap desks. We're going to have a bunch of seats, really good cushioned, colored and shaped seats with lap desks. So we have lots of ways this year for y'all to pick something of the day and spread out. I've bought lots of different colors and options so that each person is able to kind of spread out in the room when they're independently working and have that mask-free zone. I can't wait to see you Monday and to get this year started. It's going to be the best year yet.